welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to be taking some wood glue and we're going to do some dollhouse repairs. I know there's been a lot of people asking for me to do this, so we'll do some dollhouse repairs. Wood glue is the best start. I need a screwdriver too. Let's find one of those. So here's our dollhouse. We've got a couple of problems. It's let go here, and the reason for that is because the handle is missing. So somebody's tried to carry it from that side. This side's okay. Everything else looks good. It's nice and tight, but I'm gonna put some more glue in there and we'll fix that up. And I'm also gonna replace the handle. To get in here, I'm just gonna pry this open with a screwdriver. Maybe two. Big one here. Just want to open that up to get the glue in. Okay, it's glued. I'm going to clamp it together when I get the bar in, or the handle. I've got a piece of dowel here. It's too long and it's too big for my holes. So I'm going to make those holes a little bit bigger. I think that's what the main failure of this was that the handle was too small and it broke. So let's figure out what size this is and drill some new holes. Multi-size bit. I've measured it. I've marked it on here. Ta-da! Measure on this. I'm going to put a couple of screws into the ends of this from in here to accommodate the washer, so I don't want it to pull through. So let's drill some holes. Okay, we've got our holes. We've got our washers. There you go, through the hole there. And our screws. So I'm just going to put some glue in the hole here to prep it. Just going to give this a rough up with some sandpaper. Okay, just for a little added. Hi, Kitty. Just a matter of putting the screws in now. One. Two. So there we go. That's the finished product. Our piece here is glued in. It's being held together by the handle now. Okay, good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do that. Okay, put some stuff away. So that dollhouse is for Heidi's class, and there's some other stuff here. That's the stuff that Heidi's been putting that marine varnish on, the spar varnish. So it will be ready for well, school next week. It's coming up fast. It looks like the kids in Ontario schools are going to start a week later than normal, and that's the Catholic board and the public board that will be starting later. The Waldorf school is going to start on time, their regular time, and see how well, they're going to see how it works. I think it'll be fine as long as people, aren't silly. It's going to be tough to keep kids apart. I don't know. I don't know how you do that. They don't seem to listen, those kids. Oh, okay, I've got another task. I've got to get over to the Waldorf school with this stuff. Got to help Heidi hang an old sail that she's got. She wants to use it as a rain and sun shade. So hopefully that'll work for her. Okay, let's get busy. Let's load the car. On our way to school. I guess it's the school, not school. So it doesn't turn into school until, what, next week? Or the week after?
It's funny to see how chaotic it is. But I see this every year, and then you go back and the teacher put on pretend everything is organized and stuff. And it's funny to see because, a day ago, everyone was running around.
Yeah. It is kind of amazing how it all comes together.
Yeah.
This is a fireball sail. I've just cut the bolt ropes. It was super puckered. Probably shrunk a foot. So we're gonna attach this up here to the fence. And this is going to be an impromptu shelter for rain and sun. Well, there's not much sun right now, but you know what I mean. You need a mast for that to work properly.
We can't have a big metal thing on top of children's heads.
Let's park an old sailboat in here. That's an idea. No kiss? Just get out of here? Bye. Okay, we gotta go. Jasmine's gotta babysit. She has to have lunch first.
We're not going to Kira's.
Well, what are you gonna have in 15 minutes?
I don't know. Well, Piero's, okay, let's get, well, fine, but quick. Piero's is quick, right?
Yeah. Just dropped Jasmine off at her babysitting job. And now I'm driving through some back alleys. London's got a bunch of these throughout the city. Not a lot of people use them. Well, I guess the people with houses that don't have driveways in the front of their house use them. But I use them as well because I know I can get from one end of the city, or I can get through the city, I guess, by using them. Okay, so now I'm on my way to get some rust paint. Black rust paint. And it is for the McGregor trailer. It needs a coat of paint. And I want to do that while the boat's off the trailer. It makes it much easier to paint. So let's go do that. And be prepped for a day when I can prep the trailer and give it a quick coat. Also emotion. Well, that was handy. I went to TSC, my favorite tractor store, and they had trim-clad rust paint on sale, 15% off. It's like they're giving it away. They knew I was going to paint my trailer. I bet they did. So, we're good. Got lots of paint. We can paint probably 4 trailers with this. I got a gallon.